Hi, today we are going to see how to make TikTok. So open TikTok, then to make TikTok, go to post option. Here you can shoot your video for 15 second or 60 second or 3 minutes. Here you can see camera option, story icon and template option. You can use this to make TikTok. In the right side you can see upload option. In the upload option you can upload your photo or video. In the left side you can see the effect option. You can add effect from here. In the upper right you can see flip option to flip your camera. You can see speed to speed up your video. You can add filter, you can beautify, you can set the timer, you can replay the comment and you can on or off the flash. In the top you can see add sound option. You can add any sound you want in this video. So that's how to make TikTok. If you like this video, keep the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.